Hello, YouTube fam. Today, we've gathered to explore the fascinating world of beat making. If you've ever been curious about creating your own beats, you've come to the right place. We're going to break down the process and show you how to craft your own unique rhythms. 1. Choose your DAW, digital audio workstation. The first step in making a beat is selecting the right software. Popular DAWs like Ableton Live, FL Studio, or Logic Pro X provide the tools you need to get started. 2. Find your inspiration. Before diving into the beatmaking process, find inspiration in your favorite music genres. What kind of beat are you looking to create? Hip-hop, EDM, or something entirely unique? Collect references and ideas. 3. Lay down your drum patterns. The foundation of any beat is the drum pattern. Experiment with different kick, snare, and hi-hat patterns to establish the rhythm. This is where your creativity can shine. 4. Add melodic elements. Depending on your style, you can add melodies, chords, or samples to your beat. Experiment with instruments like synthesizers, pianos, or even vocal samples to create a unique sound. 5. Layer and arrange. Building complexity by layering different elements can add depth to your beat. Experiment with arrangement, adding and removing parts to create a dynamic composition. 6. Mix and master. Once your beat is complete, it's essential to mix and master it. Balance the levels, EQ the different elements, and apply effects to make your beat sound polished and professional. 7. Collaboration. Don't be afraid to collaborate with other musicians, vocalists, or producers. Collaborations can bring new ideas and perspectives to your beatmaking process. 8. Experiment and refine. Beat making is an art, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your skills. With time and practice, you'll develop your unique style and sound. 9. Share your beats. Finally, share your beats with the world. Whether it's on SoundCloud, YouTube, or other platforms, getting your music out there is a crucial step in your journey as a beat maker. Remember, beat making is all about creativity and self-expression. There are no strict rules, so let your imagination run wild. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting, making beats can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. So, let's dive into the world of beat making and create some amazing rhythms together. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.